So we bought an Airbnb property for $980,000 and we felt like we bought it way under market value. This place is in a specific area where the average per square foot purchase price is $333 per square feet. We bought this house at $147 a square foot. It's a monster house, like 6,700 square foot or something like that. We put a lot of money into the rehab. So one, it brought a property to the next level to rent for a higher daily rate and higher occupancy on Airbnb. The property's doing like $30,000 a month in revenue and we're cash flowing 15 to 20K a month. But the even better part is in the next few months, we're going to go back to the bank, order an appraisal, and then depending on the appraised value, we're hoping it comes back somewhere north of 1.5 million, hopefully closer to 2 million. And then we're going to do a cash out refinance and pull out most of, if not all of our initial capital that we invested into that deal. If we're able to pull out 100% of it, the rest of the cash flow and the ROI is basically infinite return because we have no original dollars still in that deal. This is known as the BRRRR method. You buy a property, rehab it, you rent it out, finance it, then you repeat.